दही एवं खंड पड़ी था जमी मधुर लगे तो महाप्रभुଙ୍କର से शोला बेले मिठा खाई शोबे मिठा पखाड़ एवं घी पखाड़ कदली बड़ा हम ओडिशा गोटे प्राचीन माने साधारण आम कदली की नड़िया देकर ये कर खीरी एवं कांजी कांजी
विश्वनाथ साउंट नायक को केवल धन्यवाद सृष्टि जगन्नाथ जो सब पखाड़ खाती साधारण लोक मैंने कहते जाने से बही पखाड़ घी पखाड़ खाती से आज 8टी पखाड़ वर्णना कर सुभाषित पखाड़ दही पखाड़ टभा पखाड़ चिपुड़ा पखाड़ मिठा पखाड़ घी पखाड़ और अनेक पखाड़
आरोग्य सुख और प्रीति एम जे बढ़ाए कौन रसवंत चिकनयुक्त सारांश द्वारा हृदय को दीर्घकाल स्थायी आणवट पारे 3 वर्ड्स हितभुक मितभुक एंड मृतभुक अर्थ है जो माने प्रकृतिर यही 3टी निर्देश पालन करेंगे से सुखी एवं दीर्घायु हो पारे। हितभुक अर्थ है हितकर पदार्थ खाइबा मितभुक है भोक अपेक्षा कम खाद्य खाइबा मितभुक है रीतिभुक है परिश्रम कर निजर अर्जित अन्न खाए आउ जड़े हिपोक्रेसी 2000 years बैक यहाँ बोधे आप सब जानी लेट फूड भी दाय मेडिसिन भी फूड थैंक्स टू Anju sisters, I think they should have been invited to this audience. You must have heard about MasterChef. It has been published in local newspapers as well as in media. They have participated in MasterChef and they have brought laurel for themselves as well as for the certificate. The food they have prepared and presented was admired by great chefs as well as celebrities. You know, our foundation of our being is rice and dal. And protein is the king of all nutrients. Basically we are vegetarians. And protein in vegetable protein, complete, that what called complete protein. Complete protein is available, not available. But all the amino acids are not available. There are certain essential amino acids which are not produced in the body, and so there are certain non-essential amino acids produced in the body, in the stomach, in the intestine. So the amino acids, and as I said, our foundation food is rice and dal. Rice is cereals and dal is pulses. So these combination, they are cereals. So take these combination of these items in a traditional way. You get all the nutrients, and that is why we consider that Odisha Thali, Odisha meal, traditional meal, is providing nutrients, and this is better than any other meal everywhere. It doesn't. Chennapur, when anybody comes to Odisha, if you just make them taste Chennapur, they love to carry it with them, and they request the host to pack it for their family members. So, से शुल्कटा परिवार भी शुल्क अच्छी अनेक दिन भी से शुल्क अच्छी टेम्परी कहती बट आमर कौ समय कौ पंचफुटन कौ आइटमटा के सोसार करेंगे के लंका हाल करेंगे कापर कणा करेंगे देन ओनली से घरे सोरिष फुटिले से घर को आसो. So this is how the flavor of Odisha cuisine is enhanced and finished in most of the small hotels, big hotels, where they post pakhal Saja Pokala, Nasi Pokala, Pokala festival is that now Pokala has become a common item. But
He mentioned about two persons' name. I'm amused. He said that there is a conversation between the Charaka and Vanavatta. Charaka hochandi amara ajira jo medicine Ayurvedic आरंभ करी एलोपैथिक पर्यंत से बाणभट्ट कहीं प्रश्न पचारे यहाँ जो घर को आसला मन पड़ा मोर बाबा थे कहते जोटा बाणभट्ट जहाँ लिखिं से कौन जिनस को छाड़ी ना इनक्लूडिंग योर कलिनरी आर्ट बाणो छिष्टम जगत सर्वम छिष्ट बाणो समस्त शास्त्र को उच्छिष्ट कर देते एनीथिंग यू टर्न फ्रॉम एटॉमिक एनर्जी टू culinary science, from medical to dental, you can find the writings of Vanavatta, most difficult writer in Sanskrit literature. Very, very other culinary specifications of Odisha, whether it is Santula, whether it is Dalma, the preparation about Chuka, or different types of sweets. We only know about the Chanapada because people have asked us in anywhere you go that about the Chanapada, but living the Chanapada, we have many other sweet dishes for we and we have not yet applied for its GI tag. Say, କାର୍ଯ୍ୟରେ ବେଶୀ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରନ୍ତି ଯତ୍ ଯତ୍ ଆଚରତେ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠଃ.
I would look at it. Everybody knows that Odia cuisine is good. समस्ते जानी चंते. At least ए रूम रे जो मान अच्छन समझ जानी चंते. हम ओडिशा रे जो मान अच्छन समझ जानी चंते. किंतु बाहर लोग जानिवा दरकार. ओडिशा बाहर लोग जानिवा दरकार जे ओडिया खाइबाटा भल खाइबा. सेटा केमति हो? सेटा होची मूल तत्व. That is the main topic that we are discussing today. How to take the Odia cuisine to the global place. Many of you would be interested to be an entrepreneur. Wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Now entrepreneur. 1, 2, 7. Again, I never expected this kind of response. Now I would like to be an Odia food entrepreneur. Oh wow! Mind blowing. Too good, too good. You have made my day. Mo din aaj ei gala. या परे मु जहाँ खाए पखाड़ खाए कि न खाए आज पिला माने तमे मो जीवनटा बंचित गोटे ओडिया रेस्टोरेंट करने चेष्टा कली से बहुत लोग हसिले कहले यहाँ कौन गोटे ओडिया रेस्टोरेंट घरे खावा मिलूँ बाहर किए जाए खाइब बाहर खाइबू कि बिरियानी टे खाइबू कि साउथ इंडियन टे खाइबू कि बटर चिकेन खाइबू. Who's going to have Odia cuisine which is who are interested for getting into this business of Odia food. पिज्जा खोजुची ताले केमिति को हिसाब रे हम एटा को उपस्थापना करबा जो थरे कि से माने पखाल को भी खोजबे डालमा को भी खोजबे सेही विषय रे ए स्वल्प समय रे I don't think I can contribute much, but few things I must tell you that you need to take this. Don't think of doing it in Odisha. Take it beyond Odisha. Let other people also. Now people have become aware of a cuisine called Odia cuisine. People like, chefs like Vikas Khanna talking about Dahi Vada Aloo. Now when he talks, it is ultimate. The whole world listens.
The gamuts or the discussions we had in the morning. So Saran cho bacho hi vakmita vitamins economy. Sara means essence. Must have a combination of the essence in the brief period which you call economy. Vitan cho saran cho bacho hi vakmita. Thank you for the way you made the presentation. To home arts, the cultural roots of Odisha cuisine. Friends, it will again be repetition if I go to the Jagannath culture. The Rosashala of Jagannath temple and the items being served in the temple in different from breakfast to dinner. But I heard that in every except the Balabhogo, I think all other, whether it is lunch or the dinner or even the snacks, pakhala is a major item for Lord Jagannath. Jagannathଙ୍କର ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କେବଳ ରାତିରେ ସେ ପଖାଳ ଖାଆନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆମର ପୂର୍ବତନ ବକ୍ତା ମହାପାତ୍ର କହୁଥିଲେ, ସେ ହୁଏତ ଶୁଣିଥିଲେ ଖୁସି ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ। ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପରମ୍ପରା ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଆମର ସକାଳୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାଷୀମାନେ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ବିଲକୁ ସେମାନେ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇକି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି। ମଧ୍ୟାହ୍ନ ଭୋଜନ ବି ପଖାଳ ଥାଏ ଏବଂ ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଆଙ୍କ ତାଙ୍କ ଜେଜେମାଙ୍କ କଥା ରାତିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇକି ଶୁଅନ୍ତି ନା ବିଲ ବୋଲି। Has organized this conference for 2 days. First day, that is for discussion to have a theoretical base on which further research can be conducted, and second day that is demonstration of Pakhal on the Pakhal Vishwa Pakhal anniversary. We learn many things from him. What is said, what he asked us to do further research on Jagannath culture, Jagannath संस्कृति ଉପରେ, Jagannath ଖାଦ୍ୟପେୟ ଉପରେ ଏତେ କଥା ଲେଖା ଅଛି ଆମକୁ କଥା ଜଣା ନଥିଲା। ମହାଭାରତ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଏତେ କଥା ଲେଖା ଅଛି ମହାଭାରତ ସମୟରୁ ସେ କଥା ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର କରି ମୋତେ ଜାଣିବା କଲା ଯଦି ଉପରେ ଜନ୍ମ ଏବଂ ପୁରୀର ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଶାସନରେ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ଚଳି ଆସିଛି ନରସିଂହପୁର ବୋଲି।
ପଖାଳ ବା ଘିଅ ପଖାଳ ଅର୍ପଣ କରାଯାଏ, ସବୁଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମାଟି ଓଳିରେ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି। ଶ୍ରୀମନ୍ଦିରର ବୟସ ହେଲା 900 ବର୍ଷ। ଆଉ ପାହାନ୍ତି ପଖାଳ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ମୋତେ